Welcome back to my channel. I keep hearing about other X-typers pulling the whole front bumper off just to change a low beam bulb. Today I'm going to try doing it without removing the bumper, using a special tool. Stick around till the end and don't fast forward. You'll see whether the bumper stays on in my case. So let's get started. First of all, I want to show you the 3-in-1 tool I mentioned in one of my previous videos. I've used it to widen the steering knuckle clamp when pulling it off the front strut. I also use the other end of this tool for removing door trims, and today is going to help me unclip the low beam bulb covers of my Jaguar X-type. The point is, this L-shaped tool can both push and pull clips in places Jaguar clearly never designed for human hands. So as you can see, I can also reach the far clip, push it in and free the low beam cover. After that I grab the cap and move it aside. There is no need to remove it completely. I just let it rest against the radiator while I get full access to replace the low beam bulb. You see, I hold the reflector tight by the bulb clips while unplugging the connector. You know, those Jaguar X-type headlight adjusters get fragile with age, and I definitely don't want to trouble replacing them. So I make sure the reflector stays steady while undoing the bulb clips too. And here it is. I've removed the low beam bulb from the Jaguar X-type headlight. You might think the left side is way trickier, since the battery sits right next to the headlight. But I usually swap the left side bulb without even touching the battery. It goes without saying. I can also swap it with the battery removed. Installing the bulb is simple. I line it up with the tap in the socket, clip it in place and plug in the connector. Surely I am careful not to push hard on the headlight reflector to avoid damaging the adjusters. And frankly, my OEM adjusters were broken and replaced a long time ago. I fitted handmade steel ones instead. I put the headlight cover back over the low beam, slot it into the notches and clip it in on the near side. Fastening the far clip is easy too. My magic tool takes care of it. The low beam bulb of my Jaguar X-type is replaced, and now I can start removing the front bumper. But that's a story for another video.